નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, now to the next exercise 4.6. In this exercise is related to circle, right? So we are discuss about the circles. Our first questions from the figure identify. Here is given one figure and identify the some points of this figure. So first of all, first point, the center of circle. Here dear students, here given one circle. So what is the center? Center of the circle. So here is the O. O is the center of the circle. Why? Because you are center and then after I draw a circle. So our first one answer is O. O is the center of a circle. O is the center of a circle. So first one answer is O. Then after the second one, three radius. Three radius. So first of all, dear students, if you find the radius, so what is the radius? Circle here. Center to draw one line and one line and one line. Right? Center to draw. So here how many radius? So here is total 3 radius. How many radius? 3 radius. It means here is your small lines, but connect to the circle is one type of radius. So how many radius? Total 3 radius, and which are there? So OA radius, OC radius, and OB also for the radius. It means OA, OB, and OC. These 3 is the radius of a circle. These 3 is the radius of circle. Understand? If you draw a one here, suppose in case of, and write down here name is N. So ON also for the radius. ON is also for the radius. Understand? Okay. Now to the next question. The next question is a diameter. So what is the diameter? Diameter, it's a 2 radius to join. 2 radius are joined to each other and make a one diameter. 2 radius are joined to each other and make a one diameter. It means D is equal to 2R. D is equal to 2R. It means diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Radius को अब 2 बार लो तभी एक diameter बन जाए. So this one is our radius. This one is also for the radius. And this radius to join this one is means A to C. This one is our diameter. This one is our diameter. This means AC our diameter. And one more time, dear students, diameter is D and D is equal to 2R. This one is the diameter formula is the one type of. Understand? And then after the chord, and one more time, if your longest chord of this circle is answer is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Longest chord of the circle. Now, what is the chord? Chord is means nothing. You are a draw 2 points and joint on one lines. Here is the 2 point E and D. In these 2 points, the joint make a one single line. It means it's called a chord. Right? The 2 points to join to each other. It means these 2 end points to do a one line. It means E to D is our chord. So this question answer is E and D. And longest chord of the diameter, longest chord of the circle, answer is diameter. Understand? So let's start the next one is the 2 points in the interior. Interior. So this whole is the interior portion and then this one is the exterior portion of this circle. One more time. Here is the interior portion and this one is the exterior portion. The 2 points in the interior portion and which are there? Point O and P. This means O and P is the interior. इसके अलावा और कोई पॉइंट है नहीं है जो इंटीरियर में है. It means O and P. So these 2 points is the interior point of this circle. Same for the exterior point. Then what is the exterior point of this circle? So only one point. Let's see. Only one point is exterior of the circle, and which one? In Q. So here answer is Q. Exterior is Q. Right? And then after a segment. Here is the segment. So segment is means, so dear students, segment is means E and D. E and D. So now students, chord also for the END, segment also for the END. Both answer is END. Let's say chord is means end points to joint, but in segment is means joint to, but is interior portion, is means related to, covered portion. How many portions are covered is called a segment. It means this one is red portion, it means our segment. Same for the here, suppose here is, suppose in this one is, so what is this one? So it's called the dear AOB, it's called the sector, it's called the sector. जो मैंने कवर अप किया है उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे सेक्टर, एंड सेक्टर इज मींस AOB. दिस वन इज द सेक्टर, इट्स कॉल्ड द सेक्टर, एंड दिस वन इज द segment, this one is the segment. Here is the 3 points are used in make one distance, it's called the sector. It means 2 lines and joint is this side, it's called a segment, and only 2 points to joint, here is here point, it's called a chord. Understand? Clear? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.